Hello guys, today I am making a video for the strut mount health. We will be discussing what are the symptoms and when the strut mount has to be changed. The strut mount contains first we see the location of the mount. This is the location and this is the cover which we have to take off to see the mount. You can see the mount. There is a little gap that is okay, and if the gap is more, we have to change the mount. This mounting consists of a bearing, a metal plate which you can see here, and a rubber mount. Actually, the mount after some time, after taking so many jerks, it get damaged, and the space between if the mount is detachment of length, it will reduce to like 20-30% will reduce, and it will give more gap between this doom metal and the rubber part. So what actually the symptoms are we will face in this is, if you are getting a very hard steering, that means the mount has to be checked. Low ride height means the gap between this fender to the tire is will be less, and you will get more thud noise. Okay, so steering feels very stiff, and sometimes it look like it's been stuck anywhere during a turn in no speed or slow speed. That means the mount has been damaged. The gap between the fender, which I just discussed, and the thud noise and unnecessary creak sound when moving the steering is also a symptom for replacing these strut mounts. So there are many ways of inspecting a strut mounts. The normal way is to just check the gap between this, and the second is just put a rock between the tires and just try to move the car forward. You will see unnecessary moving of this strut mount. That means that says that the strut mount is damaged, and even the bearing is also been damaged with the complete strut mount, complete bearing and the plates has to be changed. See, the company charges for the strut mount is approximately 2000 rupees, but you can get only the rubber part from the LMI, which is the original part of this Volkswagen ZF, which is owned by ZF company, and all the suspension parts of this Volkswagen is from ZF only. So you can buy LMI from the vendor directly, and you can replace it in half of the price. Approximately the LMI for both the mounting cost around 900 rupees, and the labor is only for taking out the shock up and changing the shock up is approximately 500 to 600 rupees. 300 rupees per shock up is the standard labor, because you have to open all the suspensions. And see, we are getting so many problems, like there is greasing has to be done. So see, there is a gap between this. You can spray here as well, and you can spray here as well. Okay, so this is the location of mounting where it has to be changed. Just see, you can see the front, the upper part of the strut mount. The bearing is there only. What actually happens is, if you don't wash the vehicle properly, then all of the parts, including the caliper or the lower arm parts, get easily you can say dry. So we have to lubricate that part by doing a regular wash with a shampoo, or if it's been washing has been done in a very large interval, like 4 to 5 months, we have to wash it with diesel. Okay, thank you for watching this video.